Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video, as part of our hybrid soap series or Frankenstein series, I'm going to be testing and reviewing together Chemical Guys Mr. Pink and Meguiars Gold class. We're going to be using, as part of our test, the MTM submachine gun. This is the PF22 foam cannon. It's MTM's newest foam cannon. And I am going to be using 1 ounce of the Mr. Pink and 1 ounce of the Gold class in 10 ounces of warm water, and we'll see how this foams. Then I'll be switching to our bucket method, and I'll be using 1 ounce of each in our 3-gallon bucket. So what I'm going to do, the way this series I envision it working, is I need you guys to put in the comment section which 2 car soaps that I have already done, either in the Walmart Clean series, the Chemical Guys series, or the Amazon Soap Fest, or any other car soaps that I've tested. 2 soaps that you'd like to see put together. We're trying to find that perfect 10. I think we can do it. I don't think that perfect 10 car soap exists by itself. I have a gut feeling it doesn't, but I do think that we can actually together figure this out. So the first comment that I had left on one of the original video was the Meguiars and the Mr. Pink. You guys put what you want to see. Read through the comments because I don't want to get duplicates of what I've already done. But this is the second video in the series. The series will go as long as you guys want it to go. I've done maybe 50 or 60 car soaps, so there's probably hundreds of combinations. But put your thinking cap on and kind of think what you'd like to try out, what you'd like me to try out, and we'll learn together and see if we can find that perfect 10 soap. It's about 65 degrees outside. It's pretty good weather for doing this. You know what? I've talked enough. Let's go see what this hybrid soap solution can do. All right, so I've got 1 ounce of Meguiars Gold class and 1 ounce of Chemical Guys Mr. Pink and 10 ounces of warm water. Let's see how this foams. Wow, that's got a lot of lubrication in it. All right, so we're going to let this dwell for 6 minutes. We'll come back and see what happens. All right, so 6 minutes have elapsed and we've probably got about 50 to 60% left on the hood, the windshield and top, and then maybe, I don't know, 20% left on the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash this off and see if it removes the non-bonded contaminants. Alright, so it looks like the hybrid wash did remove the non-bonded contaminants. Didn't have much of an effect on the brake dust, but we didn't expect that it would. It did remove the non-bonded contaminants for sure. And you can see in there. Yeah, so it did a good, it's got a lot of lubrication in it, the foam itself, so hopefully that will translate well into the wash. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll be putting 1 ounce of the gold class in the bucket and 1 ounce of the Mr. Pink. You can go back and look at my reviews on both of these. The Mr. Pink was done in the Chemical Guys series. And I believe I did the gold class and the Walmart Clean series. The gold class is very, very viscous. I would say as far as a value wash, the gold class earns high marks on that. It's just a good all-round middle of the road car soap. Okay, so after getting that out of the shot glass, there is a little bit of lubrication here. I'm going to go ahead and get the pressure washer and agitate this and see what kind of foamage it makes. Okay, it does make a very healthy foam. Most of the bubbles are small and medium density, and there is a very, very high lubrication factor in the water. This is almost compared to Wonder Wash by itself, minus the foam. So we're going to go ahead and get everything set up for our multiple wash mitt method, and we'll be right back with that. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you my final review on the Meguiars Gold Class Car Wash combined with the Mr. Pink. This is an outstanding combination. I'm going to give it a 9.0. The Mustang was very dirty, and now, well, you can see from the video that it is very, very clean. That combination removed all the bonded contaminants. I didn't realize the wheels were as dirty as they were, but it did very, very well. So in a future video, we're going to be doing buffing on this car. We'll clay bar it and buff it because it has some swirls and some light scratches from being machine washed, which is a no-no. But anyway, this is a really good combination. So if you guys want to try this, I highly recommend that you do. I'll put a link in the Amazon description where you can get both of them. And I appreciate everybody's subscription, and I will see you on the next video.